Did you know that even the smallest decisions about what we eat can either lead us to complete health or push us into the trap of chronic diseases? Yes, top doctors and health experts around the world agree that if our daily food intake is natural, balanced, and simple, then we don't need medicine. Our food itself becomes our remedy. That's exactly the topic of today's video: health tips, food nutrition, facts and benefits. We'll talk about surprisingly common foods that, if added to your daily meals, can help prevent illnesses and create incredible improvements in energy, heart health, brain function, digestion, liver and kidney performance, strong bones, and glowing skin. Let's begin with the most basic yet powerful component: water. Our body is made up of 70% water, and drinking a glass of lukewarm water first thing in the morning helps flush out toxins, supports liver function, and aids in weight control. A mixture of honey and lemon also boosts metabolism and strengthens the immune system. Speaking of fruits, bananas, mangoes, apples, pomegranates, grapes, papayas, watermelons, cantaloupes, and pears are rich in antioxidants, essential vitamins, and fiber. These help improve digestion, stabilize blood sugar levels, and clear the arteries of the heart. When it comes to vegetables, carrots, beets, tomatoes, spinach, bitter gourd, bell peppers, cabbage, and green herbs like cilantro, mint, and fenugreek are powerful foods. They purify the blood and reduce high blood pressure, cholesterol, and excess fat. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, buttermilk, and traditional lassi are full of calcium, probiotics, and protein, which are essential for strong bones and a healthy gut. Dry fruits like walnuts, almonds, cashews, pistachios, and especially flax seeds, basil seeds, and chia seeds are a blessing for heart patients. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which lower bad cholesterol and improve brain function. Natural spices such as turmeric, cinnamon, cumin, fennel, carom seeds, ajwain, blackseed, kalonji, and ginger possess anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Taking small amounts of these daily can activate digestion and help eliminate problems like acidity, bloating, ulcers, and stomach pain. Desi ghee, clarified butter, often misunderstood as unhealthy fat, actually improves intestinal health, skin nourishment, and joint lubrication when consumed in moderation. Starting your day with a light walk or exercise before sunrise, especially after Fajr prayer, kickstarts your body's natural rhythms. Sitting in the early morning sunlight for 5 to 10 minutes helps absorb free vitamin D, which is essential for bones and immunity. Drinking a glass of water before meals and chewing cardamom or fennel seeds after meals keeps the stomach active and refreshes the breath naturally. Quality sleep of 7 to 8 hours, daily gratitude or prayer, and minimizing screen time from mobile and social media also play a huge role in maintaining good health. Toward the end of this video, remember this: one single bad habit can cancel all the benefits of good food, and that is poor food choices. Fast food, packaged juices, soft drinks, artificial sweeteners, processed snacks, and eating without proper chewing can silently bring back illness. So dear viewers, in today's video we covered over 20 amazing natural foods, their nutrition facts, health benefits, and simple ways to include them in your routine. We also learned how timing, quantity, and consistency are key to transforming your food into medicine. If you would like us to create a full series where we explain each fruit, vegetable, seed, or drink in detail, do let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Because maybe, just maybe, your one share could change someone's life.